Australia is home to thousands of unique flora and fauna species that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Since European colonisation, the numbers of many populations of native species have greatly reduced. Some have even gone extinct. The native Australian numbat is an example of a species that has seen drastically declining numbers over the last 200 years. The numbat is a marsupial with reddish-brown fur and prominent white transverse stripes. It has a dark stripe running across its eye and a long bushy tail. They can grow up to 27 centimeters long and weigh up to 715 grams. They live exclusively in eucalypt forests and woodlands and feed exclusively on termites. Originally, the population of numbats were found from Western New South Wales through South Australia and the southern parts of the Northern Territory to southern Western Australia. Now, only two original native populations survive in Perup and Dryandra, Western Australia, shown in yellow, and a few small reintroduced populations shown in purple. They are listed as an endangered species as it is believed that there is only about 1,000 mature individuals left in the wild, and the population has undergone a drastic, continuing decline at Dryandra. The populations at Perup and other reintroduced sites are stable, but probably not self-sustaining. Overall, the populations are estimated to have decreased by more than 20% in the last 5 years. The introduction of many predator species, especially the red fox, has had the most profound impact on the population and continues to be a major threat today. Changed fire regimes and habitat destruction, as well as high frequencies of other species such as rabbits and raptors, are also causes for concern. So what can we do to make sure that the numbats are around for many generations to come? Number 1. Reintroduction programs and captive breeding. There has been many reintroduction programs through southern Western Australia. However, populations are stable and probably not increasing in these areas. This may be due to the low survival rate of numbats that were born and raised in captivity. 2. Fox and cat control programs. Continuing fox and cat baiting procedures have seen a slight increase in the numbers of numbat population in their natural habitats. Fox and cat numbers need to remain low and baiting needs to continue for this trend to continue. 3. Predator-proof fencing and sanctuaries. Currently there are 2 predator-free areas where numbats and many other endangered mammals have been released. These areas are free from introduced species and predators, and wildlife is allowed to flourish, including the numbat. The numbers have increased significantly and continue to do so. This trend needs to continue and the sanctuaries need to be maintained to ensure that the population continues to increase until numbats are no longer on the endangered species list.